Android Studio. Adaptive icons. Foreground and background layers. Since Android 8.0, API Level 26, the system supports adaptive launcher icons, which can make the application icon more flexible and present interesting visual effects. For developers, this means that the app icon consists of two layers: a foreground layer and a background layer. The foreground layer will be stacked on top of the background layer. Browse adaptive icon files. 1. In the project window of Android Studio, find the resource directory and expand it. 2. Open one of the XML files, such as ic_launcher.xml. 3. Return to the project view and find where the drawable is declared. 4. Switch to Design View to see a preview of each layer. Both are vector drawable object files. They don't have a fixed size in pixels. 5. Switch to Code View. You'll see the XML code that declares the vector drawable using the vector element. Vector drawables and bitmap pictures. Although both vector drawables and bitmap pictures describe pictures, there are some important differences between the two. A bitmap image doesn't know much about the image it stores, other than the color information at the individual pixels. Vector graphics, on the other hand, know how to draw the shapes that define the picture. These instructions consist of a set of points, lines, and curves and associated color information. The advantage is that vector graphics can be scaled for any canvas size on any screen density without compromising image quality. Vector drawables are an implementation of vector graphics for the Android platform, with sufficient flexibility on mobile devices. You can use XML and define it with these possible elements. There is a trade-off when choosing to use a vector drawable or a bitmap image. For example, for icons, vector drawables are ideal because they consist of simple shapes. For photographs, it is difficult to describe a series of shapes. In this case, it is more efficient to use bitmap resources.